Make money with NFTs. The literal $1 billion question as of today perhaps is how to make money from NFTs. And if it is possible, then how much is an NFT actually worth? Well, we're curious as you are, so keep watching this until the end to find out our take on this. Hey everyone, welcome back to NFT Explained for Beginners. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the NFTs. We're going to provide you with content about NFTs in a much easier way and make it understandable for beginners. With that being said, let's begin. For those of you who are new to crypto and the metaverse space, learning this new concept might come off as tricky in the beginning. But once you get a hang of it and the way that it works, you're going to find yourself interested in it voluntarily. And we would like to take the responsibility of educating you about this cryptic concept of NFTs, so allow us to welcome you to our channel, where we're going to discuss what NFTs are, as well as how much money you can make from NFTs. Let's start by giving an example of how much people are making from NFTs in the present day. In December 2020, the total trading of the NFT artwork alone was a lump sum of $8.2 million. And this is while the industry is still a new and foreign concept. So imagine the amount of trading it would undergo and the valuation it would have when people come to fully adopt it. For those who don't know what NFTs are, they could be any piece of digital data, for example, a digital artwork, an audio snippet, a video clip, or an internet meme that is considered rare and unique by the crypto community. In recent times, the industries making the most profit out of the NFTs are the blockchain gaming and artwork industries. But as these things speed up in the crypto industry, there is a possibility of an expansion of the scope of NFTs into other sectors as well. For example, real-world assets could be tokenized, real estate, since NFTs are practically impossible to be forged. There should be no reason why NFTs cannot be considered an acceptable form of proof that an individual owns a certain piece of land. If we go at the very basics of the working of a human mind, then it would become very obvious why people would want to buy NFTs in the first place. Human beings like to be in possession of all the things that are rare in this world, and NFTs are unique. We know that the rarer the NFT, the higher it is in value in the open marketplace. Thus, in simpler words, the rarer the NFT is in your possession, the more money you can make out of it. Some other factors thrown into the mix that add to the value of the NFTs are the reputation of the artist who created it and the various functions it can serve. Now you must be thinking that you have to be an artist to be able to make money from NFTs. But that could not be any further from the truth. See, the beauty of the NFT market and industry is that anyone could stand to benefit from trading NFTs. And being an artist has nothing to be prerequisite to succeed in this space. There are plenty of opportunities for any and everybody, ranging from artists to art collectors, traders, or even gamers. Let's get into the heart of the topic for today, which is how you can make money from NFTs. By this time, you might be aware of the fact that you can create your own NFT and sell them on various blockchain open marketplaces. So what are the steps involved? The first and foremost thing to do is to invest in the crypto space. Invest in crypto. This is the first step towards making money from NFTs because this is the very first step, and if you want to make and sell your own NFTs. The very first platform for NFTs was Ethereum, but now there are some other platforms available. You can choose from any of the platforms according to your liking. In this video, we're going to use the example of Ethereum blockchain to give you a comprehensive idea. The importance of investing in crypto comes with the fact that when you start making your NFT on any platform, the platform will charge you fees for this service. And it's going to be charged in crypto, as you might have already guessed. For those who don't know how to invest in crypto, you can refer to our videos where we have explained the entire process in detail. With some crypto at your disposal, you can either pay them to create your own NFTs or buy pre-existing NFTs. When you've done all this, the next step would be to choose an NFT marketplace. What is an NFT marketplace? Just as the name suggests, an NFT marketplace is an online space where you can virtually list your own NFT or invest in someone else's. And some of the most common NFT marketplaces that are free to join are OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable. Once you're done selecting a crypto marketplace, the next thing to be done is to create a profit and link your ETH wallet by following prompts in both the NFT marketplace and crypto platform of your choice. The next and the most obvious step would be to create an NFT. Here's a short instruction on how to create an NFT. Create an NFT. The first step of creating an NFT is to create a collection, typically under the Create drop-down menu, and then you have to follow the prompts and supply all of the information that is requested. The next step is to upload your artwork or any other form of digital asset first by selecting New Item in the drop-down menu, and then again while working through the prompts. And when you have accomplished all this, you can say that you created your own NFT. But the process just doesn't end there. Just because you have created an NFT doesn't mean it's going to sell well or you're going to make a huge profit out of it. There are a lot of factors that determine the success of the NFT you just created, and the first one on that list is marketing. Some tips that you should keep in mind while marketing your NFT is to be able to make some real money, as discussed further along in the video. But before we go there, we should like to thank our viewers for their constant interest and show of faith in our content. For those of you who are new to our channel, we would like you to suggest that you subscribe to our channel so you always stay up to date and abreast on all of the crypto, NFT, and metaverse related news. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon because then you will always be able to know when we come up with new and similar content next. Marketing NFTs. List your NFT on NFT Calendar to make it more visible to the crypto community. This is the best and only way to list your NFT across different marketplaces all at once by using the easy to navigate feature on the interface. The second most important way to market your NFT is by utilizing various social media handles or by making a thread on Reddit or Bitcoin Talk. The most important purpose that this step serves is educating people who are your followers about the concept of NFTs and crypto and the concept of NFT. One other way of spreading the word of your NFT is through featured drops and marketplace newsletters that are present on the website of the marketplace you choose to create your NFT on. And with that, the process of creating and marketing your NFT has been taken care of. Now comes the most crucial step that would make sure that you reap benefits from the NFT you created, and that is the pricing. How to price an NFT. There are no ground rules or blueprint for pricing an NFT, and all it involves is a bit of trial and error. The crypto market is subject to wild fluctuations based on the marketplace in question, the value of the currency, time of day, and even the day of the week. That is what makes the entire process so picky, so tricky in the pricing. But here are some basic tips that you can consider while your NFT is being priced. Start by pricing your NFT a low but reasonable amount, but aim high. We hope that you know this can fairly take some time before you make a sale, so you have to learn to wait while tracking the progress of your NFT. Also be open to new experimentation options like gamification or unlockables, and with all that being said, we would urge you to hold your patience and see how all of your efforts pan out over time before you take any further decisions. That brings us to the point where we conclude by saying that with careful consideration and planning, you too can start earning a good amount of money from non-fungible tokens. But then again, all we aim to do is entertain and educate, but no financial advice is intended. So make sure you have thorough research before making any investment decisions. We hope that you've come to really get an understanding of what has been going on with NFTs and how something like this has even gained traction. Be sure to subscribe and punch that bell icon while you're here, and while you're at it, also make sure that you stay notified and stay up to date with our latest and greatest content. We'll see you in the next one, and until then, peace.